Today we're going to be making an Easter wreath using one of our wreath kits. Our wreath kits include all the materials you need and easy step-by-step instructions. First, you're going to start by cutting both of the rolls of mesh into 10-inch pieces. These are our beginner wreath kits and they come with 2 bolts of 10-inch mesh. Next, you're going to want to cut your ribbons into 12 inches. First, you're going to start by taking 2 orange and 1 black, making a star, bunching it, twisting it on. For the next group, you're going to do 2 black with 1 orange, make a star, bunch it, and you twist it on. And you're going to alternate as you go around the whole back ring. Then we're going to move right onto the top ring, do the same thing. You just want to alternate your colors. Once you get that all filled in, you'll have your ribbon, and there will be 3 groups, and you're going to take 1 of each from the first grouping, pinch it, and twist it onto the top ring of the wreath. Then you are going to take 1 of each from the second grouping. You're going to bunch it up, twist it right onto the top of the wreath. Then you're going to take 1 of each from the third grouping, pinch it, twist it on, and you're going to keep going around that whole top ring until it is all filled in. Once you get all of the ribbon twisted on, then you're going to take your sign or decor that was included in the kit and you're going to figure out where you want it and you're going to attach that on. Thanks for watching.